So let's be real. Math class can sometimes feel, well, a little pointless, right? Like, when are you actually going to use this stuff in real life? Well, guess what? Today's the day. We're about to turn all that boring math into your secret weapon for landing your very first apartment. Let's do this. Just imagine it. Your own place, your own rules. No one telling you to clean your room. Okay, well, you'll still have to clean it, but it'll be your mess. It is the ultimate level up. But before you start picking out posters, there's one little thing standing in your way. That's right. You must face the budget boss. And look, I know he seems super intimidating, but here's a secret. All those numbers, that boring math, that is your superpower. It is the cheat code you need to win this thing, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. Okay, first things first. Before we can do the math, we have to speak the language. Think of this as your training montage, getting you ready for the big fight. To beat the game, you gotta know what all these weird words mean. Let's do a quick speed run. First up, the lease. It sounds super official and kind of scary, right? Don't worry, it's just the rule book for your new place. It says how long you get to live there and how much you have to pay. And what's the number one rule of any new game? You gotta read the rule book. All right, next is the security deposit. All this is a chunk of cash you give your landlord at the beginning. It's basically an oops fund. So if you accidentally knock a hole in the wall during a wild dance party, this is what pays to fix it. If you're careful, you get it all back at the end. Easy peasy. And last one, equity. Now this is a big one. Equity is the part of the property the owner actually owns. So when you pay rent, you're helping them pay their bills and build their own wealth. But you, as the renter, don't build any equity yourself. It's their investment, not yours. Super important to remember that difference. Okay, training montage over. It's time for your first real challenge, the upfront cash stack. We're talking about how much money you actually need to save up just to get those keys in your hand. Let's find out. So picture this. You've been scrolling for days, and then, bam, you find it, the perfect spot. It's $575 a month. Amazing. But wait, the landlord needs the first month's rent, the last month's rent, and a $250 cleaning deposit before you can move in. So how much cash is that exactly? Don't panic. This is just some simple addition. We can totally do this. We just take that first month's rent, that's $575. We add the last month's rent, another $575. And then we tack on that $250 cleaning deposit. Let's see. We're not going to let our budget get leased out of our control. And the grand total is $1,400. That's it. Challenge 1, completed. That's the stack of cash you need ready to go. See? You're already crushing this. The budget boss is getting nervous. And now, it's time for the final showdown. This is a huge decision every renter has to make. Do you pay a little more for a place that's already furnished and totally move-in ready, or do you get a cheaper place and have to buy all the stuff yourself? Let's let the numbers decide. All right, here are our two contenders. In this corner, we have the unfurnished apartment. It's $715 a month, but you gotta buy your own furniture and pay those deposits. And in the other corner, the furnished place, $212 a week. That weekly rent looks way cheaper, right? Well, maybe. This is where the math superpower really kicks. Okay, let's break down the unfurnished option for a full year. First, the rent. $715 times 12 months, that's $8,580. Then you have to add in the one-time costs, the deposit, the security deposit, and the furniture. So the grand total for your first year is $10,154. Now for the furnished place. Here's the trick. That $212 rent is weekly. So we have to multiply it by, 52 weeks in a year. And what does that give us? $11,024. Whoa! That weekly price was a little misleading, wasn't it? And the winner is the unfurnished apartment. It's the better deal by $870. Plus, and this is a big plus, you get to keep all that furniture you bought. That's a total math victory right there. So there you have it. You've decoded the lingo, you calculated the upfront cash, and you totally dominated the final showdown. You have officially unlocked your new math superpower. Adulting. Here you come. So let's boil it all down into your official cheat sheet. First, always add up all those upfront costs. Second, actually read the lease. It's the rule book. Third, and this is key, always compare your options based on their yearly cost. That sneaky weekly rent can't fool you now. You are ready. You've totally got this. So, with your new math superpower unlocked, that old budget boss doesn't stand a chance. The only question is, what financial monster should we take on next? Let us know what other adulting math is freaking you out. We'll break it down together. Thanks for hanging out.